Okay, no joke, this was truly the best $6 life hack I could hope to find off Amazon for fitted hats. Everybody, it's your girl TJ back, another video on Talks with TJ and a life hack I was in desperate need of. So if you subscribed to the channel or you followed along all since summer, then you guys know I rock my hair in protective styles, whether it be in twist or in braids during the summer, during those hot months, okay? It's hot, it's humid, I don't really want to deal with my hair, especially at the length that it is now. So I actually wear it in protective styles. That meant though, the regular fitteds, my true fitted hat size of a 6 7/8, like that of course wouldn't fit. I had to go up to a 7.5 for any of those styles during the summer, and they worked. But as soon as fall hits, I'm happy to go back to my actual straight hair. And yeah, this is all natural. There's no perm or anything. Just take really great care of my hair, and I don't let people stress me out. Drink my water, good diet, all of that. So hair is straight, it's growing, it's thriving. However, I discovered something that was just not cool. A lot of my hats are a 7, so you guys know, like, I'm fortunate and very grateful to be connected with Let's Hat Drop, and they send over a lot of amazing hats, and you guys see them here on the channel or on Instagram at talks.with.tj. Absolutely love them. I have the new New York Liberty hat for the WNBA to support made for the W. They partner with Let's Hat Drop to put out the 8 original teams for the WNBA. So I have that hat. I really hope I have more on the way, but they normally end up sending 7s. Why? It's like the smallest size a lot of hats come in before you go down to youth sizes, and that means that necessarily fit my hair. Doesn't fit my head with my hair being straight. Like, no joke, 6 7/8 is really like the true size when my hair is pressed. So I needed a better fit. I wear fitted hats, or I like to wear them on a consistent basis, especially in the fall and winter. So I said, okay, we got to do something about this. Amazon came in clutch. So they are literally like space fillers for your hat. So it's just a little small foam piece or section, and it has 3M on both sides. And what you do is you just place that along the inner lining of the hat itself, press firmly, and then you're able to wear it immediately. And all it cost was $6, and I believe I have 30 of them total, which I've already used 15 on my hats. So as I get more in that RSI 7, I will absolutely go ahead and just, insert one of these strips into the inner lining of the hat. That way it fits better. I mean, listen, this one, they even customized it. They put TJ on the side of a classic New York fitted, but I couldn't really wear it now without it moving all around on my head. So that's not the case anymore. I mean, if I want to wear it this way, rock it backwards, I mean, it just works so much better. Yeah, I do have the mom pin right there. Always got love for mom. So I'm really happy to just, get this hack in my life to better serve me when it comes to these fitteds. But yeah, just a quick vid I just wanted to share, just in case any other ladies are going through that issue when we change hairstyles and the fitted doesn't really fit anymore, or you just might have a smaller head. Hey, there are ways to work around that. But I appreciate you guys tuning in. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.